Upgrading your kitchen and home doesn't have to be expensive. There are plenty of high-value gadgets that can make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. I have listed the best products that offer great features without breaking the bank. These gadgets can help with cooking, organization, and overall convenience. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Tonyalax Solar Garden Lights. Propped by soft and flexible wires, the solar swaying lights create a mesmerizing firefly effect, moving gracefully with the wind. The upgraded version features specialized iron wire for enhanced sway motion and a heavy-duty bulb base to amplify the natural movement. Completely unique and unseen elsewhere, these solar garden lights transform outdoor spaces into magical landscapes. With no installation or wiring required, simply plant them in the ground and enjoy their captivating glow. Bissell Portable Upholstery Cleaner. Designed to tackle tough stains, the portable upholstery cleaner delivers powerful suction for carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more. The large 48 ounces tank ensures extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Equipped with a spot and stain formula with Febreze freshness, it effectively removes odors while refreshing fabrics. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to maneuver, providing a versatile cleaning solution. Additionally, every purchase supports a foundation dedicated to helping homeless pets. Smartish Magnetic Cord Holder. Keeping cables neat and accessible, the magnetic cord holder eliminates clutter and tangled wires. With a strong magnetic system, it securely grips cables, preventing them from slipping or falling. The grippy bottom ensures stability on desks and nightstands, all without the need for sticky adhesives. Wrapped in a stylish heathered fabric cover, it blends seamlessly into any decor while offering a functional cable management solution. No more lost or messy cords, just effortless organization. Philips Soda Maker. Delivering customizable carbonation, the Soda Maker transforms water into sparkling beverages with the press of a button. For best results, cold water enhances the bubbling effect, while an adjustable carbonation feature ensures the perfect fizz. With a slim, modern design, it fits seamlessly into any space. Compatible with standard CO2 cartridges, it requires no electricity, making it a convenient choice for home or outdoor use. Enjoy refreshing, homemade sparkling water anytime. Kohler Shower Head. Integrating Bluetooth technology, the showerhead pairs with any compatible device to provide an immersive audio experience. Engineered with sound by Harman Kardon, it delivers high-quality music or podcasts while showering. The sleek, modern design adds a premium touch to any bathroom, enhancing daily routines with both convenience and entertainment. With a well-balanced weight and durable build, it offers both functionality and style in one innovative package. Jevi Drip Coffee Maker. Enhancing the coffee experience, the Drip Coffee Maker features an adjustable keep-warm timer for fresh brews anytime. A reusable filter eliminates waste while maintaining a rich flavor profile. The anti-drip design ensures precise water flow, reducing mess and enhancing consistency. Easy-to-use touch controls and a programmable 24-hour timer simplify operation, while the LED display provides clear functionality. Offering multiple coffee strength settings, it also includes an iced coffee function for hot summer days. Magnasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Restoring shine to jewelry, eyeglasses, and more, the ultrasonic cleaner utilizes 42,000 Hz sound waves to remove dirt and debris effectively. Operating with just tap water, it provides a powerful yet gentle clean without harsh chemicals. A digital display with 5 preset cleaning cycles allows easy customization, while an auto shut-off feature enhances convenience. The durable stainless steel tank holds up to 20 ounces, accommodating multiple items for a thorough and efficient clean. Jetec Wall Mount Phone Holder. Providing a secure spot for smartphones, the wall mount phone holder offers a practical and stylish storage solution. Made from durable ABS plastic, it resists wear and maintains its shape over time. The sleek design complements any space, allowing installation in bedrooms, kitchens, or offices. Featuring 2 holes for easy mounting, it provides a safe dock while charging or watching videos. Lightweight and convenient, it keeps devices organized and within reach. ecobee Smart Thermostat. Optimizing home climate control, the smart thermostat reduces heating and cooling costs by up to 26%. Equipped with a smart sensor, it adjusts temperature settings to eliminate hot and cold spots. A built-in air quality monitor provides real-time alerts and maintenance reminders. Featuring a sleek, vibrant display, it also functions as a home security hub with smoke alarm detection. Integrated with Siri or Alexa, it offers voice control and smart home connectivity. Wapo Dumpling Maker. Designed for efficiency, the 2-in-1 dumpling maker simplifies the process of creating homemade dumplings. Made from durable, food-grade PP material, it offers a smooth, easy-to-use surface for pressing perfect dumpling shapes. Versatile enough for empanadas, ravioli, and other stuffed treats, it allows quick preparation with minimal effort. Whether used for everyday meals or cooking sessions with family, it enhances kitchen convenience while making food preparation more enjoyable. Hytric Travel Electric Kettle. Designed for travel enthusiasts, this compact and foldable kettle measures just 3.15 inch x 4.72 inch when collapsed, making it easy to pack in a suitcase or hang on a backpack. An intelligent control panel with a time display allows precise temperature control and scheduling. Crafted from BPA-free silicone with a 304 stainless steel interior, it ensures safe, healthy heating. A detachable power cord, foldable handle, and wide spout provide effortless storage, portability, and cleaning. Foso Silicone Ice Ball Molds. These ice molds create 2.5-inch large spherical ice cubes that melt slower, keeping drinks cool without dilution. The innovative design features a soft silicone base for easy ice release, just squeeze to pop out the ice. A split mold construction allows quick water filling and the option to freeze herbs or fruit inside. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, the airtight construction prevents leaks, making it perfect for whiskey, cocktails, and chilled beverages. Brookstone Laundry Basket. A smart space saver, this collapsible laundry basket folds flat when not in use, reducing storage bulk by 70%. Despite its compact fold, it expands to hold a full load of laundry, measuring 10.5 by 24.25 by 17.5 inches. Ergonomic grip handles ensure comfortable carrying, while ventilation holes keep clothes fresh between washes. Durable and easy to clean, this sturdy basket is perfect for both wet and dry laundry, making household chores effortless. High-tech pet electronic pet door. This motor-driven, vertically sliding pet door offers secure, automatic access for pets using an MS/4 ultrasonic collar. A directional sensing system ensures the door only opens when the pet approaches directly, preventing accidental activations. With 4 access control modes, in only, out only, full access, or locked, it provides customizable entry. Its airtight seal keeps out wind and weather, while an automatic deadbolt lock offers enhanced security unmatched by traditional pet doors. Eucopia Pot Lid Organizer. Designed for seamless kitchen organization, this holder includes 7 adjustable dividers to keep pot lids upright and easy to access. Coated steel dividers ensure durability without scratching cookware. Non-slip feet prevent shifting inside cabinets, while an open base stops lids from rolling. Quick and simple to set up, it requires no tools, just insert the dividers and start organizing. Perfect for decluttering lower cabinets or pantries while keeping lids within easy reach. Green Life Breakfast Maker Station. A versatile 3-in-1 appliance, this station features 2 griddle compartments and a dedicated toast drawer for cooking full breakfasts in one go. The ceramic non-stick surface ensures safe, PFAS-free cooking. Independent griddle sections allow simultaneous preparation of eggs, pancakes, bacon, or veggies, while the toast drawer fits 2 slices. A built-in timer simplifies meal tracking, and the tempered glass lid lets users monitor food without losing heat. Ideal for quick, hassle-free breakfasts. Bambusi Charcuterie Board. Elegantly crafted from 100% natural bamboo, this board enhances hosting with a hidden drawer housing cheese knives, serving utensils, and a wine opener. Designed for effortless entertaining, it includes labels and markers for easy cheese and meat identification. Sustainable, durable, and stylish, it makes an excellent housewarming, bridal shower, or holiday gift. Packaged in a premium box, this board is the perfect balance of beauty and functionality for any gathering or special occasion. Forius Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Equipped with advanced sensor technology, this touchless kitchen faucet activates with a simple wave, reducing water waste with a 3-minute auto shut-off feature. Made from lead-free SUS 304 stainless steel, it includes a drip-free ceramic cartridge and high-temp PEX hoses for durability. A pull-down spray head offers 3 modes: stream, spray, and pause, while an 18-inch retractable hose provides flexibility. Installation takes under 15 minutes, with a 5-layer nanotech finish resisting fingerprints and stains. Smarter SFC01 Fridge Cam. Revolutionizing food management, this wireless refrigerator camera captures an image every time the fridge door closes and sends it to a smartphone via a dedicated app. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant through IFTTT, it enables remote inventory tracking to reduce food waste. A USB rechargeable design ensures convenience, keeping grocery lists updated in real time. Perfect for busy households, this smart device simplifies kitchen organization and meal planning. Ikago Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set. This smart coffee warmer set includes a 15 ounces ceramic mug with a matching lid and spoon, perfect for home or office use. Infrared sensors detect real-time beverage temperature, allowing precise heat adjustments between 105 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree increments. Energy-efficient heating warms drinks 50% faster without overcooking. Auto shut-off ensures safety by turning off after inactivity. Thoughtfully designed for coffee lovers, this makes an excellent gift for any occasion. From time-saving kitchen tools to game-changing household gadgets, these 20 high-value Amazon finds are designed to make your daily life easier, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cooking experience or streamline your home routine, there's something here for everyone. Want to grab any of these awesome gadgets at the best price? Check out the links in the description for the latest deals. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow home enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.